Kuya, kuya.
Oh, bigyan kita.
Kuya.
Hey, ma'am, next. Hindi ka makita eh.
Nakadit sila.
Hindi ka program. Can you be my love? Let me show you how. Pus-pus pun balik.
Uy, ako pa, sali ko ba? Wala.
Vanessa.
Good evening, everyone!
Isang kasi ko ang palutaan mo sa Yes!
Good evening, everyone. By the way, we will be your host for tonight. My name is Manay Kinita.
My name is Lane Margana.
And I am Clara Tedesca Michelena.
And you're watching Toledo Net TV. We'll be right back.
And we're back! Yes! Kasi ito celebration dito ng Pinanang Festival. Gusto ko namin magiging po ang isang masigaw ng palakpakan na may kasamang Pinawan!
Yes! And of course, tonight we celebrate beauty, confidence, at the same time, syempre,
Celebration of
tinatang
Yeah! Yes!
So, we are the happy, we are the music of the beautiful, the elegant, but of course, the Rina.
The timeless beauty.
Yes!
Ayan. And of course, okay. Okay, right? Okay.
Ayan.
And of course, we have the beauty queens din all over here in Pontiana, South Cotabato 2025.
Yes!
The first runner-up and the second runner-up of Pontiana, South Cotabato 2025. Ito na lang ako best. Mahina kasi yung signal na.
And of course, acknowledging natin ang ating napakagwapo, of course. Alam mo yan.
Oo, eto.
The one and the only Wendell
Ramos is here.
Ayan.
Oo, ang gwapo.
And of course, our basketball player.
Yes, our basketball
Sir
player.
DJ is here.
Yes, hello sir. Magandang gabi po. And of course, din ang ating mga Diyosa, of course, from Miss International Queen 2023, Miss Mars Pacheco. And Miss Michelle is here. Yes, ang gaganda din.
And of course, our beautiful lady here.
Yes, do the honor, ma'am. Okay, go.
I'm Clara Tedesca Michelena. I was crowned as Pontiana South Cotabato last year.
Wow.
Yes. So before anything else, let's sing first a happy, happy birthday to Mom Vanessa. Okay, all together. Sounds sweet ang muna si
Please, Dr. Vanessa.
Yes.
Can you please come here on stage? Ayan.
Oo,
Doktora, din birthday mo ngayon. Kakantahan ka namin ng birthday song. Ayan.
Ayan, everybody! Everybody! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Sabi mo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Doc! So, what is your wish? Ano mo, gusto mo bang i-share o i-sikreto mo na lang? Okay. So, thank you, Doc. Palakpakan natin si Doc ang ating birthday celebrant ngayon.
Yeah.
At nais natin sabihin sa lahat na, of course, mag-enjoy tayo ngayong gabi. Pinagbabawan muna natin ang seryoso kaya hindi man ito open forum. So, mag-enjoy tayo.
Wala akong signal. Dito lang po ako.
Thank you, Doc. Palakpakan natin si Doc. Happy birthday. Stay beautiful, gorgeous, and elegant.
Yes, and of course, at celebration din ito, na grand launch din ng Toledo Bell dito sa building na ito. And we're so back here at Toledo Bell.
Palakpakan naman natin si Doc Toledo. Dahil alam naman natin kung gaano ka-importante ang Toledo Bell. Then of course, it brings back our confidence. Lalong-lalo na yung mga kailangan pang siyempre nawawalan tayo ng confidence dahil sa mga impurities na dumarating sa ating balat. Yes,
Yes,
of course, dahil kay Doc, bumalik na ang ating mga confidence.
Yes.
Palakpakan natin si Doc.
Yes, ang ating research doctor. Yeah, diba? So, yes, ma'am?
Yeah, so before anything else also, we would like to hear opening remarks from Ma'am Cory.
Ma'am Cory Aquino.
Sorry, naging Aquino na.
Yes.
Yes.
Palakpakan natin once again, Ma'am Cory Aquino.
So you see my handsome escort, Wendell. Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Good evening po.
I know we're a little late, but it's never because we're here. We came from Manila and we open our hearts to you. We're very happy to be here in Coronadal City. I remember that Doc Nap Toledo brought a whole group of us here to Coronadal, and this clinic was just beginning to, well, unfold. Okay, it was blossoming, and in its own time, and now today, I'm happy to say, it's in full bloom. So congratulations, Dr. Nap. You have perfected the definition of beauty. You have learned to allow women and men to find their rhythm, their natural rhythm and grace in life. And with your magic hands, I call him Mr. Magic Hands because he is the lightest of touch and is the best eye for finding the right proportion and harmony of beauty for every individual. And that's what I like about Dr. Nap. He individualizes your formula for beauty. And that is why no two women or no two men are beautiful in the same way because they are individually as attractive as they are. And Dr. Nap enhances what you have, what is natural in you. And so he brings out the best in you naturally and gracefully. And I might say, with his own definition of perfection. Dr. Nap Toledo, Mr. Magic Hands, who has mastered the definition of perfection of beauty. Dr. Nap. Dr. Nap, I have known you for so many years. We were judging Miss Dama, right? Miss World, that's right. And then he says to me, I need to see you. I want you to gracefully age with your beauty